Are you ready for your affirmations to be affirmed? Now remember, if you have any affirmations that are the opposite of what you are trying to say right now, you want to do the 3-step thought process to guide your brain to release these, so that when you do these current affirmations, your brain will actually not just be saying them, but actually feel that they are possible or that they are true. So are you ready? Let's get started. Get creative. Think of things that you imagine you can't be, and you're going to say that you are those things. I am.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky
I
is
am
falling
an
down.
amazing person. Now it's your turn. I am an
Jumping from cliffs so
I
high,
am
trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
I am.
And I really wanna know,
I
if
am.
I never figure out where the road
Say it
goes.
with conviction and feeling.
Even if I'm
I
falling down, I
am.
will keep on searching for my highs.
Did you have a hard time thinking
You
of
can say
things?
I lost my
That's okay.
mind. I will keep on
As you
holding
start
my
to
head
continue to do these
high.
type of exercises,
Even if the
your
sky is
brain will become
falling
more
down,
and more interested
even if the
in
sky is
creating things that
falling
you could
down,
possibly be.
sky is
Was there
falling
anything that when you said it, it just seemed so unrealistic? Remember, do the 3-step thought process to guide your brain to release any limited beliefs. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and I hope you enjoyed this little
Even if the sky is
exercise on how to make
falling
sure that
down,
your affirmations
even if the
are
sky
not
is
being
falling
limited,
down,
but that you know that you
sky
can
is
feel them,
falling
think them,
down.
see them, and they will soon become your reality.